find the equation of all lines having slope -1 that are tangent to the curve this y equals to 1 by x minus 1. It is given that slope is -1 and equation of the curve is y equals to x minus 1. You mute your mics because I am hearing disturbance. Now, what should we do? How should we solve it? Will m is equal to dy by dx, that is slope. So dy by dx will first of all differentiate this given curve. So that is equal to minus of 1 by x minus 1 the whole square. Now we'll equate both this and this. So minus of 1 by x minus 1 the whole square equals to -1. So x minus 1 the whole square equals to 1. X minus 1 the whole square equals to plus or minus 1. X minus 1 equals to plus or minus 1. So x minus 1 equals to 1, x minus 1 equals to -1. So x equals to 2 and x equals to 0. These are the two values. We got x coordinate. We'll find y coordinate by substituting it here. Y equals to x minus 1. So when it is 2, it will be equal to 1. And when it is 0, it is -1. Okay. Now we have to find equation of two lines which passes through point 2 and 1 and slope is -1. And other line which passes through 0 and -1 and slope is -1. So y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x.
And these two are coordinates on different lines.
These are two different points.
I'm on different lines.
Slope है, okay. इसके slope we have to find equation of all the lines having slope -1 tangent to this curve. एक curve है suppose, इसके जो tangents है उसकी equation find करना है और both this tangents have slope -1. So there can be two tangents having same slope.
Okay.
Okay, suppose curve ऐसा है तो इसका एक tangent ऐसा भी हो सकता है, एक tangent ऐसा भी हो सकता है, दोनों का slope same होगा, मतलब दोनों का x axis से angle is equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there are, so one point is 2,1, other point is 0, -1. So we have to find equation of both the lines, both the tangents. Okay.
Okay.
So y -1 equals to -x plus 2 or y plus x -3 equals to 0. Similarly, minus y1 equals to m minus x1. So y plus x plus 1 equals to 0. These are the two answers. We have to find equation of all lines having slope 2 means m is 2 which are tangent to the curve y equals to 1 by x minus 3. Okay. So first thing, we'll find slope from this curve. We'll differentiate this curve, that is dy by dx equals to minus of 1 by x minus 3 the whole square. Now this and this, we both things will equate. 2 equals to minus of x minus 3 the whole square. Okay. So when we'll solve this, x minus 3 the whole square equals to minus of 1 by 2. X minus 3 equals to under root of minus of 1 by 2. Okay. So square root of negative numbers. So it's not possible actually to have this non-real numbers. So we'll write no tangents are possible here. Okay.
So, ma'am, by derivating.
Okay. So 1 minute. So slope was given 0. Okay. Slope was given 0. We have first of all differentiated it and we have equated. We got x coordinate as 1. substituting it in the curve, y equals to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3. Minus 2x plus 3. When x is 1, it will be 1 upon 4 minus 2, it is 1 by 2. So basically the point where this tangent touches the curve is 1 comma 1 by 2 and slope m is 0. Now we have to find the equation of the tangent. When we know the point, when we know the slope, we have to just put that formula y minus y1 equals to m which is 0. So rest everything will be 0. So this is the equation, y equals to 1 by 2. This is the answer. Find the point on the curve. X square by 9 plus y square by 16 equals to 1, at which tangent are parallel to x-axis. Okay. So tangent is parallel to x-axis. So what will be the slope? Slope of the tangent?
0.
Slope will be 0. Okay. So m will be equal to 0. And we'll find dy by dx by differentiating this equation. So when we'll differentiate it, 2x upon 9 plus 2y upon 16 dy by dx equals to 0. So dy by dx will be equal to minus of 16 x by 9y. Basically it will be 2x upon 9 equals to minus of 2y by 16 dy by dx. 2 and 2 cancel. Dy by dx is minus of 16x upon 9y. Okay. Now when slope is 0, we'll substitute this equal to 0. Minus of 16x upon 9y equals to 0. So x is 0. Okay. X is 0 and y will find from by substituting in this curve here. Okay. So x square plus 9 plus y square by 16 equals to 1. When x is 0, y is equal to plus or minus 4. Okay, so the point will be 0 comma 4 and 0 comma minus 4. Okay, the next part is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means slope is not defined. So we'll put dx by dy equals to 0. Okay. Now we have already found dy by dx. Dy by dx is minus 16x by 9y. So dx by dy is equal to 9y upon 16x, minus of 9y upon 16x. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So when we'll put equal to 0, we'll get y equals to 0. When y is 0, we'll put this in equation of curve. If y is 0, x will be equal to plus or minus 3. So point will be 3 comma 0 minus 3 comma 0. Find the equations of tangent and normal to given curve at the indicated points. Y equals to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. Okay. So we have to find the equation of tangent and normal. Okay. At which point? At 0 comma 5. Okay. So we don't know the slope. So for slope, we'll first of all differentiate it. Then we'll substitute this point in the slope and we'll get the value of m. And this is x0 and y0. Then we'll find the equation of line. So dy by dx is 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10. Now slope at 0, 5. So dy by dx, when you will substitute, actually there is no term of y, only x is there. So dy by dx is minus 10 at this point. Now equation of tangent will be equation of tangent at 0, 5 with m equals to minus 10 will be y minus y0, that is 5, equals to m into x minus x0, that is 0, So equation will be y plus tan x this side equals to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
slope of normal. What will be the slope of normal?
Ma'am, 1/10.
Good. Slope of tangent is minus 1/10. So slope of normal will be 1/10. M1, M2 equals to minus 1. M1 is minus 10. M2 we don't know. So it will be 1/10. So slope of normal is 1/10 and we have to find with the same point 0, 5. So equation of normal passing through point 0.5. Point 0, 5 and slope is 1/10. So y minus y1 equals to m into x minus 0. That is equal to 10 minus 50 minus x equals to 0. Or x minus 10y plus 50 equals to 0. This is the equation of find the equation of tangent line to the curve which is parallel to line this. Okay. So equation of curve is y equals to x square minus 2x plus 7. Okay. So equation of tangent line to this curve will find the slope that is equal to 2x minus 2. Okay. And slope of tangent. Okay. Equation of tangent is given. So tangent is 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0. So it can be written as y equals to 2x plus 9. That means equal to. Now we have to parallel to this line. That means slope जो next line equation of tangent में slope यही use करना है because tangent is parallel to this line. Okay. So actually this is not equation of tangent. This is the equation of line basically. Okay. Given line is given this. Okay. Now 2x minus 2. This both slopes will be equal, slope of this curve and slope of this line, because the tangent to this curve is parallel to this line. So this both slopes will be equal. So x 2x equals to 4, x equals to 2. When x is 2, y equals to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. Y is 7. Okay. So now equation of tangent we have to find which has slope equals to 2 and which passes through point x equals to 2 and y equals to 7. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. That is equal to 2x minus y and minus 4 and 7. So plus 3 equals to 0. This will be the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then 15th question B part, we have to find the equation of tangent line to the curve which is perpendicular to this line. So tangent is perpendicular to this line. So first of all, we'll write this line in the form of y equals to mx plus c. The m is the slope of the line. Tangent about which or tangent which we have to find is actually perpendicular to this line. So slope of the tangent will be minus 1/3. Okay. Now we know the slope of the tangent line, but we don't know the point at which this tangent will be touching the curve. So for that, what we will do? We'll dy by dx, slope which we have found, that is 2x minus 2, and the slope of this the perpendicular line, this both m1 m2 equals to minus 1. This relation will put and we'll find the x coordinate. X we
But
got,
we could directly use dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2 and slope is equals to 3. So
no, that slope is not equal to 3. This is a perpendicular line.
slope is equal to minus 1 by 3 and ma'am dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 2 minus 2x minus 2. We could directly equate it, no?
Right.
Same
Okay.
only.
Okay. So now equation of tangent passing through 5 by 6 and 217 by 36 with slope minus 1 by 3 is, and then we'll find it, y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Okay. So this we have to solve. So this will be 36y minus 217 equals to minus of 18, so 6x plus 5 upon 18, that is equal to this. So it will be 36y minus 217 equals to minus of, okay, this is equal to minus 6x. So minus of 12x plus 10, or 12x plus 36y equals to 227. This will be the answer. Find the points on the curve at which slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Okay. So y equals to x cube. Slope is dy by dx, that is equal to 3x square. Okay. Now y coordinate, tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Let the point at which the tangent is x comma y. Then or let slope of tangent is equal to y coordinate of point. We can write this when slope of tangent, that time 3x square will be equal to y, and from the curve, equation of the curve, y is equal to x cube. So we can write x square equals to x cube, 3x square equals to x cube, or x cube minus 3x square equals to 0, or x equals to 3, x square equals to 0, x equals to 0. This will be the two values of x, and then we'll find corresponding values of y. So x is 0, that means y is also 0. X is 3, so that is y cube, y equals to x cube, so y will be equal to 27. So points will be 0, 0, 3, 27.